Do you want to start affiliate marketing, but you don't want to show your face? You're nervous when you get on camera, you're not that confident being on camera, or you just don't want people to see you on camera. Then I got the perfect solution for you, how to do affiliate marketing without showing your face. And that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get into it. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create a life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing without showing your face, without appearing on camera. So even if you're not that confident being on camera, don't worry, you don't have to be on camera. Even if English is not your first language, you don't have to worry. You don't have to be on camera. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. But before we get into it, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time we upload a video. So let's quickly get into this and I will show you. So first, what we need to identify, where we need to go to, we need to find a program that has a lot of affiliate products that we can promote. So there's different programs that you can sign up to. There's ClickBank, there's JVZoo, Sarah Sale, there's Digistore 24, and I'll probably list a few others that you can also go and check out and sign up to them if you want to do that. But in this demonstration, I'm going to use Digistore 24, and you can go to digistore24.com and just sign up. It's so easy. Being from South Africa, I couldn't sign up to ClickBank, so I had to sign up to Digistore 24 or JVZoo, or one of the other programs. But in this initial demonstration, I'm just going to show you in my Digistore 24 account. So what you want to do is, after you've signed up, you want to go to the marketplace, and you can see on the marketplace you want to go to all offers on the affiliate marketplace. Then you want to go to and select a niche. In this example, I've already selected a niche, so I'm going to go with the family and kids niche to show you how this works. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just show you what type of products they have in the family and kids niche. So they have potty training, they have if you kid entrepreneur, they have hot products for new families, they have another potty training secrets, and you can go next and you see they'll have a few others here as well. But in our demonstration, we're going to do the sleeping one. There used to be another program that was also quite good, where you can teach your kids how to sleep, or like your baby, train your baby how to sleep. And I used to promote that product. But in this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the first one here, and it's Finally Sleep for Your Baby, and you can get 75% commission, and that's $16.72 when you promote this product. That's what you would earn with every time you promote it. And you can see the average price of the product itself, it's $32.28. And here's a few other information that you can see has been created over 4 years ago. So this might not be the ideal product that you would want to promote, but in this demonstration, it's something that we're going to use. So now we have identified what the product is. So the first step is to identify or to find a proven affiliate product, and we have found the product that we're going to promote. So all you want to do is, you would see here's a button that normally says promote, like that. I've already clicked on it because I already set up the example to show you. Then the next step is I'm going to go to GrooveFunnels, because I use GrooveFunnels as my funnel builder, because the next step is building the funnel. So I've built the funnel just to make it easier for you and to show you how you can do that. And you can see here, this is how to get any baby to sleep. Then watch, and then all they do is they put in the email address, they put in their name and the email address, and then they just say watch the video. Then it'll take them to a video that they can watch. And I'm gonna see if I can actually, if I have published this before. I think I did, so I'm gonna show you how it looks. My internet is a bit slow, so there we go. So all they'll do is, I probably won't show you my email address, but let's say I've subscribed to the list. The next step is it should take me to a video, So the product that I promoted was babysleepmiracle.com, and here you can see it takes you to a video. So you see I used their own text on the landing page just to keep everything consistent. And here's the video that the person would watch. Once they watch the video, they can actually then buy the product. It'll say add to cart. So you can see the funnel that we built is simple, it's easy. It's just I've took their own heading to make it cohesive, to make everything gel together, and then I just put a box here where it just asks your name and your email address, and then just watch the video, and then I just link this to their page, to their sales page. So everything just flows together. Okay, so we've done build the funnel. Step number 3 is now we need to get the traffic source that we're going to use to promote this product. And this is where the important part comes. So the traffic source that I'm using, that I used on a daily basis, is called Pinterest. Now on Pinterest, you don't have to show your face. So what I'll do, I'll show you just the figures here, and you can see the impressions, 7,000 impressions. Engagements was a bit low, 53, but I started this probably about a month or two ago, and you can see here total audience was 5,000, and you can also see the engagement. You can see actually it spikes there. So what I will show you is, so this is now for new parents. So here you can see, I will show you. So just look at this one. You can see just below there it says 7,600 views, and then 23 people clicked on it. So let me show you what it looks like. Just put the sound a bit softer. There's another one here. You can see 5,000 impressions, 46 clicks on it. All you do, you don't have to show your face. You ask me, Gershon, but how did you create this? I'm going to show you now. Okay, let's go back. So what we need to do is, I'm just trying to show you another one. And you can see here, this one is 7,000 views, this one's 5,000 views. This one is a bit low, it's like 33 views. And you can see I've posted a few of these posts, and it's so easy to create these posts. I'll show you where you need to do that. So what you want to do is you want to use a product called Canva, canva.com. Canva is a lifesaver. I love Canva. It's so easy. I'm not good at designing stuff. The Canva just makes it easier for me. So all I need to do is I'm coming to Canva, then as I say Pinterest, Pinterest pin, and here you can get a whole range of different pins that you can use in Canva. You can see here, let's look for something that is just maybe just basic, where we can put in a video. Videos actually does quite well nowadays on Pinterest. So you can use videos. You can also use images as well. In my demonstrations, I've used videos, and I got a lot of views and clicks with that videos. So they have a whole range of templates that you can use, any type of template that you can use for babies. I'm just looking for something that's maybe for a baby. So you saw this video, right? And this video I created, or this pin I created in Canva. So here's it created in Canva. So all you need to do is, like where I found this, is all I did is I went to videos. I just said, I think baby with family. And here you can get different videos that you can use. Let's see. So here you can see different videos that you can use, and you can drag it in So easy, you just drag it in, and here you can see there's something else there. So everything like this is in Canva, and you can just use Canva to create it, and all you need to do is you can post it directly onto Pinterest, or you can just download it and just download it in MP4 and just download the video, and it will download this whole pin for you. And all you need to do is then go to Pinterest and then just create the pin. So you just go to create a pin. At the moment, I will say if you're new, start and you have this feature, always just open a business account on Pinterest. So try to open a business account. Then you go to, you can create a normal, a regular pin, but I've found a lot of success now recently with create idea pins. So if you can create an idea pin, you can upload a video, or you can upload a, what you call it, a normal picture. You just upload it, and then you just do the SEO of the video. Just use a unique title, a long keyword title. And if you want me to show you how to do that as well, I'll show you in a different video. But I just wanted to show you that how you can actually do affiliate marketing without showing your face by using Pinterest and by using Canva to actually create your pins, and then just uploading it to Pinterest. Sorry. So if you want to try the free Canva account, I'll leave a link in my description, and it's free. You can just click on it and you can try out Canva for free, and you can start actually doing affiliate marketing without showing your face and without even being on camera. So that's the cool thing about it. So that's all the 3 steps in this video that I'm gonna give you, and thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. Until next time, be blessed and create success. Bye.